I'm going to help you get it started. Okay, there you go.
Thank you. A car.
What is it? You get to go to Walmart. Say thank you, Riri.
Thank you, Riri.
Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you. That's got the birthday on it.
Yeah, say, I'm going to go buy Princess and the Frog.
I'm buying Princess and the Frog cake.
Not cake, the movie.
The movie.
Because what princess do you like? What's her name?
Sleeping Beauty.
No, the other one you said you want Princess who?
Princess and the Frog.
Oh, okay. Say, tell Riri bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera. Say,
Bye.
wave to her.